Ever accidentally swiped an important email in Gmail and watched it completely vanish into the void? Or maybe you archived something on purpose, but now you desperately need it back. Don't panic, today I'm going to show you exactly where those archived emails hide in the Gmail mobile app, and how to put them right back in your inbox. It takes less than 30 seconds, so stick around. Let's get straight into it. First, I'm going to archive a few emails on purpose, just so you can see exactly how it works. You can either accidentally swipe to the left and archive things, or you can select an email and hit archive. Now to track them down, simply head up to the top left corner of your screen and tap on those 3 horizontal lines to open up your menu. Scroll down through the list until you spot the option that says all mail and tap right there. Here's a trick to finding what you're looking for. You'll notice that your regular unarchived emails have a little inbox label next to them. But if you look closely, the ones we just archived don't have that label. This is how you spot them. Now, how do we get them back? It's incredibly simple. Just press and hold on the archive email you want to recover. Next, tap the 3 little dots up in the top right corner and select Move to Inbox. And just like that, your missing email is right back where it belongs. If this quick tip saved your missing emails today, please drop a like on the video and consider subscribing for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.